Lumpia, a Filipino spring rolls. Today, I want to show you how I make lumpia. They're super crispy on the outside and loaded with delicious filling on the inside. Let's get started. In a saucepan over medium heat, place in the water, rice vinegar, ketchup, sugar, sambal oelek, and garlic. Bring it to a simmer and pour in the cornstarch slurry. I have here 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 3 tablespoons of water. In a large mixing bowl, combine the ground pork, carrot, yellow onion, garlic, scallions, salt, black pepper, soy sauce, and 1 large egg. The egg that we're using here is going to make the filling nice and soft and bind them together. Mix well. Beat 1 large egg for sealing wrappers. Place the filling in a pastry bag or a Ziploc bag. Cut open the tip. We're going to lay lumpia wrapper flat with a corner pointing toward you. Squeeze the filling in the center of the wrapper horizontally. Tightly fold the bottom corner up. Fold in the left side and followed by the right side. Roll it up until the top is left. Brush the beaten egg at the top. And roll it up all the way. Transfer to a plate and cover with plastic wrap. Repeat with the rest. In a large pot over high heat, pour in the actual light olive oil. You could also use any other high smoking point oil. And heat it up to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Transfer in the lumpia. For today's recipe, we can make up to 40 lumpia, so it's a good idea to cook them in batches. Fry until golden brown for about 5 minutes. Remove, and we're going to drain on a paper towel lined plate. Repeat with the rest. I really enjoy making lumpia and eating them today. They're so crispy, so delicious. The sauce, the filling, oh, amazing. And they're the perfect snack that you can serve at any party. Everyone will enjoy it, I guarantee that. I will see you again next week for another awesome episode. Bye!